This topic we are learning about what is an effective space. After successfully completing this lesson, you will be able to define the term functional space, list the benefits and challenges of writing an effective space. Now, the definition of functional space is a product team's primary means of communicating the design and functionality requirement of each feature in a product. A functional space is not an architecture space, vision, document, one-page summary, email, or hallway conversation. The benefits of writing spaces: document the product design, provides an overview for executives and other groups, provide the detail that the product team need, helps keep functional and external teams in sync during the development cycle. There are some challenges faced by PMs in composing an effective space can be viewed as a lack of understanding of feature purpose, ability to break down a feature into viable and manageable components, defining valid user scenarios, prioritizing functionality. Instead of focusing on solving a technical problem, we get caught up in documenting a receipt for code that must be written. The review define the term functional space. What is the role of a space in the development of a product? What are some of the challenges that you face when trying to write a great space? Now, the lesson number 2, getting started. After successfully completing this lesson, you will be able to explain how to begin defining the customer problem, describe how to conduct effective research, explain the steps involved in coming to a viable solution, talk to your customer, gather anything you can, talk to the customer and all disciplines, including marketing, listen to yourself also. Now, define the customer problem. What are your customers need? Why are you building a product of feature? How did you determine your justification for building the product or feature? What problems will you solve with the new feature or product? This needs to be done upfront, not as the space is evolving. If you need additional research or validation as you work through the document, that is okay. Save a place for it and design the research to get the answers that you need. Here are the research. Understand as many of the requirements and constraints as you can before you start. Because you can't know them all, modify your space as you learn new ones. Surf the web in a structured fashion. Do site visits in a structured fashion. Know what research does and does not help with research. Ask your relatives. Product planning and usability. Check out competitors. Go to MS Library. Here, develop a solutions. Know your priorities. Break the problem down. What are the constraints? What are the factors that need to be considered in the solution? What goals need to be kept in mind to judge whether the proposed solution is successful? Thanks for watching the video.